We believe that the right MS specialization is a journey rather than an overnight decision. In this video, I would like to share some steps you can consider that may help you decide about your MS specialization. I am Biruda Virkud, a Texas A&M alumna who has, over the last 2 decades, mentored over 12,000 plus students back top admits in universities like Cornell, Columbia, CMU, TU Delft, University of British Columbia, University of Toronto, National University of Singapore, to name a few. Factors to help you decide an MS program abroad. Universities abroad consider your overall profile, a major part of which is your technical skill set. The factors that help you decide the specialization are: first, the job trends. Getting a job post-masters is the top priority for each student. Choosing an MS specialization, keeping in mind latest job trends, is justified. After all, who doesn't want an ROI, the return on investment? Second, building interest and skill set. We would like to share the steps you can consider while you're pursuing undergraduation that may help you choose the right specialization for a master's degree. The steps to follow during the first year of undergraduation. Be open to learning concepts and get exposure to ideas by participating in expert sessions and/or blogs related to your subject. Steps to follow in the second and third year of your bachelor's. Explore electives, participate in clubs, attend workshops and webinars, work on projects. This will help you narrow down on your likes and interests. Finally, the steps to be taken in the final year of your engineering. After exploring various options throughout the 3 years of your undergraduation, your final year is the time to converge your goals and choose more projects accordingly. Analyze your choices and work on projects and internships accordingly. Now, why does choosing a MS specialization help? Here are 3 main reasons why choosing a MS specialization while pursuing masters would help. The first one, this helps you build expertise in one particular niche subdiscipline. The second one, this provides edge over other candidates for placement. The third point, very important, it also provides better return on investment. Overall, some key takeaways. First one, aligning your short-term and your long-term goals, whether you are an undergraduate student or a working professional, with your MS specialization will help you come up with the right choice of your specialization. Second, a balanced combination of interest, skill set and understanding of the job market is sure to guide you in this process. Stay tuned to our channel for more such informative videos on the application process.